Cottage cheese is definitely having a moment online. So, what's all the buzz about? For starters, it's packed with protein and essential vitamins. Plus, it's a surprisingly light option in terms of fat and calories. Now, it's not like burrata or heavy cream that magically makes everything taste amazing. I've been on a mission to create a recipe that actually makes cottage cheese delicious. This recipe is something I wanted to use as a base for making egg muffins with cottage cheese as a filler. First, grease the pan with butter and let it solidify a bit. This helps ensure it coats the cups evenly. Preheat your oven to 365 degrees Fahrenheit. I used a food processor to speed things up. For the egg mixture, add 6 eggs, season with half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of salt or a little less, and freshly ground pepper. Then, toss in 1/3 cup of cottage cheese along with 1/4 cup of feta cheese for extra flavor. The key here is to blend just until everything is smooth. If you overblend, your eggs might lose their light and fluffy texture. For the mix-ins, chives add a gentle aroma without overpowering other ingredients. And for the mushrooms, you could totally sauté them first, but if you're in a pinch, just squeeze out the excess water for an easy prep. Now it's time to assemble. Go ahead and layer your mix-ins into each muffin tin. Start with the mushrooms, then a generous sprinkle of chives, and a little Parmesan to finish. Once your mix-ins are in, fill them up with the egg mixture. And bake them for about 18 minutes. The egg will rise and then deflate a bit. If you grease the pan properly, your egg muffins will pop right out. I did overblend the egg mixture a tiny bit, but they were still fluffy and moist. They could have been even lighter, I guess. Got some leftover ingredients? Don't let them go to waste. Just toss everything into a microwave-safe cup to make a super quick egg muffin. Simply pop it in the microwave for 30-second bursts for about a minute total. A pro tip, use a smaller mug. This helps it cook faster, so your egg stays fluffy and doesn't turn rubbery.